Hi everyone, welcome back to Anna Hudgins Beauty. I am Anna Hudgins, and in today's video I'm going to show you my favorite fall palettes. So if you want to see that and you like beauty and makeup related content like this, I hope you will subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you are notified when I have new uploads. Now without further ado, let's get into it. I'm going to start from smallest to biggest, so I'm going to go by size. So first off, I'm starting off with the Faced Hot Buttered Rum eyeshadow palette. I love this palette. This palette unfortunately was limited edition and I don't think that you can get this anymore, but they do have new palettes coming out this season and they have similar warm tone shades, so you can definitely find something. If the quality is just like this one, then they're definitely a must-have. And you can see that is a beautiful shimmer. They also have this beautiful like yellow mustard color. It's gorgeous, fantastic quality, just beautiful pigmentation. That's my go-to. A little shimmer on the lid, a little warm in the crease. Good to go. My next pick is the Huda Beauty Nude Obsessions palette. This is a gorgeous warm tone eyeshadow palette, but it also has some pink tones in there as well. But this is what I have on my eyes today. They just blend so seamlessly and so creamy onto the eyes, just like they show up in these swatches. It's gorgeous. You can get a beautiful fall look and it is just adorable and it's great quality. When I first started watching YouTube and making YouTube videos, making your own palette was like the thing to do. Z palettes were all the rage and everybody wanted to make their own palette. This is what my fall palette would look like. I love these colors. This is kind of very similar to the Hot Buttered Rum, and this is a magnetic palette from Makeup Geek. So I have 5 shadows from Makeup Geek. I have 3 shadows from Pur Cosmetics. I have 1 old Too Faced shadow right here, and I have 1 MAC pressed pigment. Here are the shadows right here from the Makeup Geek. This is So Pale, Peach Smoothie, Morocco, Chocolate Wasted, and up top is Chickadee. And there are the Pur Cosmetics shades. These all come from their silver palette. I will post the name down below because I don't remember what it's called. These are my favorites from that palette and they are gorgeous, especially that shimmer shade. Like, I can't even. And then this shade is my all-time favorite shade, and it is from an old Too Faced palette, and it is the most beautiful shimmery green. I have nothing like it, and no palette has come up with anything similar to it. So that's why I've held on to this one shade, even though it's old and I probably need to get rid of it. But I just have not seen that kind of green anywhere, and I just love it so much. And then last but not least, I have the Blue Brown pigment from MAC. And there it is right there. It's a purple, blue, brown with some green. It is iridescent. It is just stunning. So I just thought I'd throw that in there for something a little different, a little fun. My next pick is the Just Peachy Mattes palette from Too Faced. I love these eyeshadows. I already did swatches of this in a previous video, but I'll go ahead and swatch some of my favorites for you. I know they call it peach, but it's very pumpkin-y too, to me, in my opinion. And I just love this shade right here. It's a warm raspberry shade. It just looks so good all over the lid. It's beautiful, and I love these warm orangey tones. They're just so beautiful. I love this palette so much. I'm gonna go ahead and put some on right now. I'm gonna go into Peach Punch right here. Just gonna, woo! See how it just warmed up this look and just, oh, gorgeous. I love. So for my next 2 favorites, I have chosen 2 palettes from the Jaclyn Hill Morphe X Vault collection, and this is Ring the Alarm and Armed and Gorgeous. This is just basically fall in a palette. Like, I can't get over how beautiful this is. I love it. I really don't know why people didn't like these because I love them. But let me show you some of my favorite shades. That's how it swatches. And I have used this color and haven't had any issues with this. So now I'm going to show you the Ring the Alarm palette. So here they are, beautiful, warm, rich. So on camera is one of my favorite shades. It's this gorgeous gold. Look at that. It's just melting into my skin. It's gorgeous. Look at those. Gorgeous. Stunning. She put these together and called it Fall Vibes. Beautiful. I have no words. All right, my next pick is the Aina x Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. The packaging itself is just dreamy. And then you open it up and it's like, hello, fall. It's so gorgeous. Stunning, fantastic quality. Anastasia Beverly Hills palettes never disappoint. So this next palette I showed in my last video, so if you missed it, definitely check it out. It's a fall makeup tutorial and I will post it in the description box down below. Make sure you don't miss that. And this is the L.A.Girl Pro Artistry palette. I love this palette so much. I've already raved about it in my last video, but I'll go ahead and show you again. Just look at these gorgeous jewel tone shades. They're so beautiful. And then it has all these beautiful neutral shades. So you're not stuck with just fall vibes. You also have something that you can wear any season, anytime. The quality is there. They're beautiful. And this is only $15.99. So it's a great deal in my opinion for a beautiful palette that you can really use anytime, but definitely has fall vibes. So I'm sad to say, but I only have one palette left and it is an oldie but goodie, and it is the Morphe 3502 palette. I love this palette. OMG, check it out. Whoa. Oh, these colors are beautiful. And I'll tell you, I've worn this palette and have gotten so many compliments on it every time I wear this. Look at how smooth that is. Just gorgeous. There's so many different colors to choose from. So you have blending shades for days. Just stunning. So there's some lighter shades right there. Those are the orange tones. Just stunning. It's so beautiful. So those are 3 more. I mean, they swatch beautifully and they go on the eyes beautifully, and you have endless choices of colors that you could use. I love this. I know a lot of people are kind of like trying to move on from Morphe, but I mean, they have some great products that they've already come out with. I don't know too much about the new stuff, but some of their staple products like this one, they were popular for a reason because they are very good. They're great quality and they're just so pretty, and doesn't get more fall vibes than this one. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, then hit the thumbs up button, share it with your friends if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button down below and click that notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Definitely follow on my social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Aina Hudgins Beauty. All links will be listed down below, so check it out, follow me, give me a like, give me a comment, let me know what you want to see next, and thank you for watching. I love you, and I'll see you in the next video.